Hi, I'm Dee.
And I'm Dory.
We're the Design Dreamers. Big on dreaming.
Yes, we are. And we have something that we dreamt up today that is a little different, that you haven't seen from us before. But first, our little saying, never underestimate the power of a woman with a sewing machine.
Yay! That is so true. Creative powers get going.
Right. And that will be appropriate for what we have to show you today, which is kind of exciting. We're going to show you first a little clip of the before.
Okay.
And then we'll come back to this and we will show you what we did.
Okay.
So we have a challenge to each other. This dress and that dress are the same dress as far as shape and everything. The only thing that's different is the fabric.
The design of the fabric.
Right. The fabric color. The dress is designed the exact same way by the same designer. And so our challenge to each other is to remodify it into something wearable that we would wear.
Yes, because it's too small for either of us now. So we need to repurpose this.
Yes.
On what do they call it? Upstyle? Upgrade it. No, what is it? Upcycle this dress. Now we got it.
Yeah, so we will upcycle this dress. See, it's maxi all the way to the floor. So
And
it gives us a lot of fabric to mess with. To work with.
And so the only challenge is that we need to use as much of this fabric, as much of this as possible. We can add to it other fabrics. We can turn it into whatever we would like to make it so it would work for us. So it's been upcycled, and the fabric is really nice. It stretches both ways. It stretches that way, lengthwise, and horizontally. And it's got a nice feel and a nice drape. So
that stretch, you think it fits.
For me, this is going to be a challenge. I don't really upcycle things.
Oh, nice.
So it will be interesting to see how we both have our own ideas and what we come up with. We're not going to tell each other until we get them finished, and we'll show you guys, okay? See ya.
Bye.
All right, so we had some fun with this, eh?
Yes, this was a challenge. And as I had said in that clip, this was the first time I really repurposed anything for myself.
Just to see what you did.
Yeah.
See, we haven't shown each other. This is a big reveal for us, too.
Yes, we have not seen each other's designs. So who's going first? You can go first.
Okay, I'll go first. Okay, so I used 3 fabrics. The fabric of the dress.
Oh.
And then this here, which is going to be in the skirt, and it's a scarf with some buttons.
Oh, look at you.
And this is the top. So the extra fabrics is this beige and this orange.
Uh-huh.
And then underneath, you'll see, I made a skirt.
Oh, cute. So it's a top and a skirt?
A top and a skirt, yes, that I made. And a scarf.
Very
and so
nice.
I added this little button here to give it some little creativity, and then I put buttons on the scarf.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Oh, I'd love to see what that looks like on you or your dress.
You
I
will.
would love. Yes. Well, mine's not nearly as creative as yours. Well, more realistic. But here we go. This is mine.
Oh, that is sleeves.
Yes, I took the skirt, and believe it or not, I just cut this off here at the bottom, and took the skirt, cut it in half where the seams were. Yeah. And sleeves, put it on. Here.
How cute. Now, it wasn't too tight across. See, I had to add fabric. Go ahead.
Me too. I got a little more. Yeah, because they were small. The dresses were too small. I'm like, I couldn't get my girly. So I took and did the back like that.
Oh, and doing that in the back, gave it enough so that in the front it would be
Right, so it gave me enough so it fits through, and I had to put it up pretty high. It's up between the shoulder blades, so I could get that extra room in this area here. But
Yeah.
then one of the, I don't know if you want me to talk about the challenge, but a lot of fabric here. You can see I just really gathered a lot of fabric and made it a square there instead of at a point. Well, instead of flowing like I wanted it to hang, it just kind of cupped my bottom. I'm like, this is not right.
Is it pinned together or tacked together?
Tacked it together, put like a little pleat in there
Okay.
and tacked it so it would hang nicer on me and not, this go just basically from hip to hip. So, and this just has a little bit of a dip. You can see in the front, it's just a little bit of a dip.
Cute.
Yeah. So that's what I did.
Really cute. I think you'll wear that.
Yeah, I will too. And when we model it, the sleeves are a perfect length and they're a good bell sleeve. So yeah,
How fun.
that's my remake.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
All right, so here we are with our makes on. Oh, gee, I love yours. Isn't that cute? We kind of have the same idea in the back, I think.
Yeah, similar. Did you do yours? Oh yes, yeah, pretty similar, same ideas, but you've got more of the handkerchief, the
Right.
asymmetrical drop on yours. But
Yeah.
we get to do something to get the added width so we could get this on.
Sorry, I got a piece of hair here. Okay. Yeah.
It
Yeah,
looks beautiful,
yeah.
Doris. It's flowy and kind of got that creative flow that you have in your brain, that thought process.
Right, and you want to see, and then this is my skirt.
And now we can't really see the
Floor.
Does it go to the floor? Does it go to the floor? We
Goes
can't see.
Floor, so I have this color, and then I have the beige, and then I have some more of this.
Oh, cute, cute. Yeah. Nice summer outfit. And then see, I've got these nice bell sleeves. It's just the skirt. These sleeves are just the skirt that I sewed on. Like you see where Dory's trim is around her arms. The trim here, I just sewed over that trim.
Ah, okay.
I didn't take it off. I just sewed over it. Because that part, when I tried it on, fit. This top part fit, but not the rest of it.
Yeah.
I'm going to sit down now. So,
Yeah.
there we go. I'm going to say the back of my hubby. Goodbye, hubby. Thank you for helping me.
Associate editor today. Associate director, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me get sitting back down, get this back where it needs to be. So
Yeah, I really like your top.
do you? Thank you. It is something I wanted to make sure I would wear it. I didn't want to make it so crazy that I wouldn't wear it. But
Yeah.
I really like that the big sleeves are in style again, and it worked out perfect with the
Yeah.
angle at there. I didn't have to take. Did I sew that up? I must have, because the skirt they were just two pieces, two rectangles.
Yeah. Like I just used the hem of my skirt. The hem that was already on the skirt is the hem on my skirt.
Well, that's the way
That was on the dress is what I used for the hem for the skirt. I didn't have to mess with that.
That's
But-
the same thing on my sleeves. The hem that was on the bottom of the skirt is what
Right.
I left on.
Yeah, it was
So-
fun to do. I appreciate it because these dresses were just going to be donated because they didn't fit either of us. So
Right.
I'm
So now
totally
we can-
happy with this. I will wear this. I know this is an outfit I will wear.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Mine too. I'll wear this too. I can see that. And that was one of the things that I wanted to do. Like I said before, I wanted to make it so I could wear that. And as you brought out, you said you needed to put it on your dress form in order to really figure it out. It made it much easier. And I found the same thing. What I thought I was going to do with it just did not pan out. Once I got it on the dress form and started looking at it and playing with it, I went, this isn't going to work. This will not be something I would utilize.
I
So-
did love using the dress form because then I could see what I needed to do to make it fit.
Right. Yeah. And, since our show or our YouTube is all about thrifting, I just wanted to mention that we did not pay full price for our dress forms.
Nope.
So we had gone to a sewing expo, and maybe I've said this, and if I did, sorry for digressing, but we had gone to a sewing expo in our state, and they had kind of like a project runway where they had different people sewing and using these dress forms. And then after they were done, they sold these dress forms at a discount. So that's where we got our dress forms, was from them.
Yeah.
So, but they've been well worth having. And we took a small class on how to make sure you can change them according to how your body changes, which was a good thing we did.
Yeah, really good thing, because I was really thin back then. Yeah. But,
It's a fun thing to do.
yeah, it was very fun, and I probably would have never used this fabric for anything. I can't
Oh.
imagine, but it works perfect as, and this is kind of interesting. I have a seam that actually doesn't go into a hem. It just kind of bubbles. It makes a little.
Oh, really? So is that a seam that was in the fabric already? Is that from
No.
another?
I put the seam in there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
How did you figure that out?
I have no idea how but I loved it because it was like, I didn't have to follow a pattern and try to see if I can figure out what somebody else, try to get into their brain to figure out how they're doing it.
Yeah.
You know? So I don't know how it worked out, but I'm very happy with it. Yeah. And this material, I didn't even bother hemming this because there's just no way this will ever fray. It's just not good.
It looks like a chiffon from here. Is it a chiffon type, real silky?
Okay,
type?
yeah, it reminds me of a nightgown.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes.
But it doesn't fray. Usually chiffon can fray terrible.
Yeah, this is not a chiffon then, because this is not fray at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry about my hair, guys. It's every which way I need a cut. But anyway, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Who doesn't need a haircut these days? Only those who can cut their own at home.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't forget our saying. Never underestimate the power of a woman with a sewing machine. If you have a sewing machine, that puts you in power, girl. Make
It
something
does.
fun. Redo something. If you have no fabric at home, just find something that you've never wore, or,
Doesn't fit anymore.
doesn't fit anymore. Take one of your husband's shirts, redo it. Just have some fun and use your power of your sewing machine.
There you
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Bye. Have a great day.